Hi guys. I don't want my cord to fall off. That's why I'm looking down at this way. This way. Oh man, maybe I need to Lord have mercy. Got my mouth. Oh my goodness. Where's the damn cord? Oh, it is. Oh, that's my fan. That's the noise. That's the noise that you hear. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay. This is D35Shay90. Trying to do what I do. I am currently watching a video of high maintenance. Oh my god, like a video that she, like one of her first ones, and it's called As You Can See, ... I'm Black. And I listened to Nickelback. And you know what I'm saying? And you know what I'm saying? Shit, I feel her in that. I love music. Like, that's my thing on my Facebook thing. I love music. Any kind of music. From the OJs. I love music. As long as it's grooving. I love music. Music. Like, seriously, I love music. I don't give a fuck what it is. Seriously, I don't. I love country. I love jazz. I love, man, rock. I love R&B. I love music. It just comes from my DNA, my mother and dad. You know what I'm saying? They loved music, and I especially love jazz. You know what I'm saying? And it's so crazy that my granddaughter, it's a video that we did. Maybe I think it was 2017. Yeah, I think it was 2017 or whatever, and she had a guitar for Christmas, and she was just playing her guitar or whatever, and it was so crazy that she was playing her guitar and I was recording her, and she was like, okay, so this is India, and yes, this is Smooth. Oh, this is India, and this is me, Smooth Jazz Sunday, and I gotta get this for you. Like, oh my god, that was so hilarious. But you know what I'm saying, my baby loves music also. You know, I love music. I love music. Just as long as it's grooving. Okay. Okay, well, like I said, guys, I was watching High Maintenance first video or whatever, and really just trying to, you know, like I was saying last night, how I need to get my stuff together, and as far as, you know what I'm saying, damn, my stuff, shit, as far as my YouTube channel together, duh. So that's what I'm trying to do. And my mouth is freaking burning. My mouth is freaking burning. I have That's why my mouth is burning. I have Tyson wings, and I have when I went downstairs, I saw that my grandmother had some Popeye's chicken. So I don't have the box, but um, one of those I've already bitten off of. So, and that is the Tyson Buffalo any Tyson wings, and the big one is buffalo wings. I'm not gonna do no mukbang. No, nah, no, cause I'm hungry. So I'm not gonna do this on camera. No, I will not do that because I have some sauce too that I always make, but I'm not gonna do that on site now. Nah. I'm also I'm also kind of pissed off about something that went on yesterday. Well, what's today? Today is February 1st. And I'm thinking that no, I think it went on February. Oh, not February, but in January. Yeah, January 31st. Yeah, 30. Excuse me. January 31st. Whew, Lord jeez. Oh my God, come on now. Come on now. Come on. Come on now. There we go. Okay, yeah. Bought a car, or purchased a car in August of 2018. And got some news last night. Well, it was that's first. Got some news February 30th. I think, yeah. It don't matter, goddamn it. I got some news that the motherfucker got told. Shit. Hell. And I'm mad than a motherfucker. I'm mad. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? This has nothing to do with my YouTube channel, whatever, but yeah, I'm mad. I'm mad as fuck. You know, like, seriously, I am seriously mad. You know, but like when I posted on my Facebook page, hell, that the salt, the Morton salt thing. When it rains, it pours. And then also the song, that blues song, dang, what's that damn blues song? Damn. That's my mama. That damn. That's how I like the blues. Lord, have mercy. How can I forget that dang on song? Oh my God! But when it rains, it pours from the Morton salt. Lord have mercy. How can a person forget that song? Seriously. Wow. It's not really a blues song. Oh, I hear it in my head right now. It's not a blues song. It's just an R&B song. If it ain't one thing, it's another. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Boy, I tell you, if it ain't one thing, it's another. I'm telling you, man. Like, I don't have a car, you know what I'm saying? The car is gone, you know what I'm saying? And that's how I, was getting around to picking up my daughter from work or whatever. And now it's just fucked up, you know what I'm saying? He always told me, okay, Shay, you need to be careful. You need to be careful about the police or whatever, and it's now whatever. Okay, yeah, I know the routes. I know these motherfucking routes, where these motherfucking popos is at. You hear me? I know the routes. I know what route to drive. I know. Please believe me. I know which way, yeah. I know where to go to avoid the police. But your stupid dumb ass didn't know. You know what I'm saying? You dumb fuck. And you don't got that 2019 Jeep Cherokee impounded. Like, come on now. But you worried about how the fuck I drive. Motherfucker, I know where to go. Please. Oh, y'all, excuse me for my explicit language. Oh, Lord have mercy. If it ain't one thing, it's another. Hi, y'all. I love you guys. Excuse me. Just hoping YouTube will like me. I don't know. They won't. Shit. Peace out.